This video is about consequences of leaky gut. Leaky gut is also called increased gut permeability. A physician once told me the following: leaky gut syndrome, a rare disorder caused by the increased leakiness of intestinal mucosal membrane, can have some serious consequences if left untended and untreated. While treatment options are diverse and limited in efficiency, there is still some advantage to controlling or managing this gastrointestinal problem when it comes to preventing complications later on. I strongly disagree with this statement. First of all, it is not a rare disorder. In fact, more and more people are suffering from leaky gut due to toxins in the food. Most people don't even know what the toxins in their food can do to their body, and especially to their gut microbiome. In addition, the water we drink, if not filtered, will contain all kinds of toxins, including glyphosate. Glyphosate causes leaky gut. Secondly, treatment options are limited in efficiency, as this physician puts it. Limited? No. In fact, leaky gut can be reversed. Third, this physician talks about the advantage of controlling or managing this gastrointestinal problem. Controlling? Managing? I'm not satisfied with managing leaky gut. I want my gut to be healthy, and this can be achieved with lifestyle changes and cutting-edge supplements that support the gut microbiome, that also support and feed beneficial bacteria, and only those, and supplements that support the health of the gut mucosa, so leaky gut can be reversed. I find it disturbing that the medical community still thinks that medication is the only way to manage leaky gut, and that food and toxins have nothing to do with causing leaky gut in the first place. In addition, the medication they prescribe in fact have a lot to do with the cause of leaky gut. Just take a look at antibiotics. They kill the beneficial bacteria as well. Most physicians don't even tell their patients that they need to take probiotics while being on antibiotics. They don't even know that commercial probiotics don't survive the harsh environment of the GI tract, and therefore have little to no effect, and in some cases even cause more problems. Okay, let's take a look at what leaky gut is. Leaky gut is also called increased gut permeability. For the gut lining, the term increased permeability implies that the quality of the mucosal lining allows bigger molecules to go through that otherwise would not be allowed to pass. What could pass the gut lining and enters the hepatic portal vein? Environmental toxins, toxins from bacteria and viruses, larger particles from undigested foods. The increased gut permeability happens at the microvilli, which are finger-like structures and single layer of cells. The microvilli reach into the gut and have the job to let digested food, the nutrients and vitamins extracted from the food, into the hepatic portal vein. The hepatic portal vein brings those nutrients and vitamins into the liver for detoxification. The single layer cells of the microvilli are held together with proteins called tight junctions. When digested food reaches the microvilli, the tight junctions loosen up just so much that the nutrients can get into the bloodstream. Other factors that loosen up tight junctions are nerve signals, histamine, high cortisol level, and zonulin. Zonulin regulate the opening and closing of the tight junctions. When we have a condition such as leaky gut, environmental toxins, waste products from the pathogens can enter the hepatic portal vein as well and reach the liver. If this goes on for a long time, the liver becomes overwhelmed and compromised in its functions. One of the consequences of leaky gut is a congested liver. Another consequence is the development of autoimmune diseases such as Hashimoto thyroiditis, rheumatoid arthritis, celiac disease, and multiple sclerosis. Then there is the brain-gut connection and the influence of the gut and the gut microbiome on brain function. This can cause symptoms of depression, can also influence schizophrenia and autism as well as hypothyroidism. Symptoms of leaky gut can be many or just a few of the following: skin problems such as eczema, tiredness, listlessness, weight gain, inflammation, irritable bowel syndrome, and many other conditions associated with mineral and vitamin deficiency. The question then is, how can we prevent and heal a leaky gut? Remove gluten from the diet. Wheat, which contains gluten, is doused in glyphosate, which not only disrupts DNA replication but also causes leaky gut. Eat organic foods if possible. Drink enough water to prevent dehydration. Don't eat foods you know you are sensitive to. Support the body and specifically the gut with specific supplements that help restoring the gut lining. Reduce or eliminate electromagnetic frequency exposure. The most important tip I ever sent out through my YouTube video can be watched either on my website or on YouTube. The title of the video is "Wi-Fi Makes Us Sick, Keeps Us Sick." Please leave a comment and give it a thumbs up. I love reading your comments. Those supplements that I just mentioned to support the gut microbiome are Megaspore Biotic. Megaspore is a spore-based probiotic that survives the harsh GI environment 100% compared to commercial probiotics. The next step in the gut restoration is Mega Prebiotic, which is a precision prebiotic that only feeds the beneficial bacteria. Commercial prebiotics also feed the bad guys, and that is something you certainly don't want to happen. The third step in the gut restoration is Mega Mucosa, which increases the thickness of the mucosal layer in the gut. The breakdown of the mucosa is the beginning of symptoms and diseases. The mucosal layer separates us from the outside world. Think about it. We swallow bacteria, viruses, and parasites with the food we eat and the water we drink. The mucosal layer prevents those from entering our bloodstream in the gut. The immune system sits in the gut lining, and everything that passes the mucosal layer is being sampled. So a thick, healthy mucosal layer is imperative. Mega mucosa ingredients are glycoproteins, which are important because the mucosal layer is made from sugar and amino acids, hence glycoproteins. So Mega Mucosa provides the building blocks that the mucosal layer needs to repair itself. Without providing those building blocks for the mucosa, it can't be rebuilt. Studies have shown that the increase in repair of the mucosa increases by over 95% when those building blocks are provided. The immune system response needs to be regulated as well inside the mucosa. which is being done by the IgGs, immunoglobulins. Those are the first line of defense against invaders. Invaders such as viruses, parasites, bacteria, toxins and food particles. Mucosa contains those important immunoglobulins, IgGs. They are from cows, so if you know that you have an allergy to beef, then you should not take Mucosa. If you have any questions in regard to leaky gut and the gut restoration program, please do not hesitate to contact me, either through my website, exclusivelyholistic.com, or in my Facebook page, Exclusively Holistic, or join my Facebook group, Holistic Path to Wellness. Take care.